Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your math period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, open your book, page number 130. So we are on page number 130, beta, and today inshallah we will do question number 6 and 7. Read question number 6 with me. Find the complementary angle x in each of the following right angles using a protractor. We have been given angles and we have to find the unknown angle with the help of protractor. What is protractor? Protractor is D. Okay. So, and we have to find the complementary angle. Complementary angle, remember, two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay. So in part number A, one angle which is known is 35 degree and this is the second unknown angle x. So we have to find the value of this angle. How we can find the value of this angle using protractor? We will put the protractor at the joint and this will be our bottom line. This will be our bottom line. Okay. This zero line will coincide with this line and we will see that where this line is going. The other line, can you see the other line? Yes, this is 55 degree. This is pointing towards 55 degree. So we will write 55 degree here. And is this the correct angle measurement? How we can find? Because these are complementary angles, so their sum should be equal to 90 degree. Now let's check. 55 plus 35 is 90 degree. Yes, this is 90 degree. So it means that we have corrected. We have measured the correct angle. Come to part B. Here the angle which is known is 20 degree and we have to measure this unknown angle, that is x. So we will put the zero line on this angle and then we will find out this line. Alright. Put the protractor on this line, zero line with the bottom line, and see where the other line is going. Yes, this is going on 70 degree. So we will write here 70 degree and 70 plus 20 is 90 degree. Okay. Now come to part number C. Part number C, this angle is given which is 15 degree and this angle value we have to find out. So how we can find out? We will put our protractor as the line of 0 will come over here and the other line we can measure. Okay. If you cannot see the other line angle properly, what you can do, bete, like this. So you are not seeing this line. What you can do, first you extend this line. Okay. If you will extend this line, then you can clearly measure where this angle lies. Okay, so you have to do this question by yourself. Now come to question number 7. Find the value of y in the given set of supplementary angles. Here we have to find the value of y as the supplementary angle. So here they are not saying that we have to use a protractor. So we will do it with the simple calculation. What is supplementary angle? Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So part number A, 44 degree and y. So how we can write it? So we will write y plus 44 is equal to 180 degree. So y we have to find out. 180 is here, 44 was plus here. On the other side it will be minus. We will subtract 44 from 180. Then we will get the angle which is supplementary to 44 degree. So it is 156 degree. Okay. So in the same way we have to find out the remaining supplementary angles. Do this work in your copy neatly and nicely. Take care of yourself. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.